In this video, I'm going to guide you through the process of filing your taxes using Cash App. Cash App is a comprehensive financial platform that offers various banking and investing features. With it, you can maintain a cash balance, set up savings, invest in Bitcoin and stocks, receive paychecks, use a Cash App card for transactions, and send or receive peer-to-peer payments. If you're interested in learning how to use any of these features, be sure to explore the other videos on my channel where I have hundreds of detailed tutorials. To begin filing your taxes with Cash App, simply scroll down within the app and locate the Taxes section. You can access it directly by tapping on the Taxes option, or alternatively, use the search icon at the bottom of the screen to find it quickly. If you've already started your tax return, resume filling to pick up where you left off. If you're filing for the first time, tap the same section to begin the process. Once you start, the app will guide you through a step-by-step process. First, you will be prompted to create a password for your tax documents, allowing you to access your return from different devices. The initial steps involve entering your basic personal information, including your name, address, and other essential details. If you earn income from a traditional job or own a single business, the process will be relatively straightforward. However, even if you have multiple income sources, the Cash App tax filing system is designed to be user-friendly and efficient. After entering your basic information, tap Resume Filing to proceed. As you input your details, the top of the screen will display key financial summaries, such as your expected tax refund or any taxes owed. Your tax outcome will depend on your earnings and deductible expenses throughout the year. In my case, I have some federal taxes due, but your situation will vary based on your financial circumstances. Next, you will encounter various tabs that help you organize and input your tax information. One tab focuses on income sources. If you are a salaried employee or work part-time, you'll likely have a W-2 form, which you can enter here. If you are self-employed, you will receive a 1099 form, which you can also add in this section. Additionally, if you have earned interest from a bank account, you will need to complete a 1099-INT form. The app also provides information about other forms, such as HSA and MSA forms, which you can explore by tapping on them to understand their relevance to your tax situation. Moving on, you will be prompted to input your deductible expenses. These deductions can help lower your taxable income and reduce the amount you owe. Examples include travel expenses, business-related purchases, and medical expenses. If you made quarterly tax payments throughout the year, you can enter them in the designated section to ensure they are accounted for. Similarly, if you paid state taxes, you should enter that information as well. One helpful feature of Cash App's tax filing system is the search function. You can use this tool to quickly locate specific forms or deductions by typing relevant keywords. Whether you're looking for a particular 1099 form or searching for deductible expenses, this feature ensures you can find and enter your information efficiently. If you prefer to complete your tax filing on a computer, Cash App provides an option to transition to a desktop interface. By tapping the desktop icon at the top of the screen, you can visit Cash App's tax website and continue the same process on your computer. I personally found this option more convenient, as I had spreadsheets and financial documents saved on my computer, making data entry easier. Once all your information is entered, tap Review and File. This step will highlight any potential issues or areas where you might be able to save additional money. If necessary, make adjustments before proceeding. When you're ready, you can choose to e-file your taxes electronically or download your tax forms to mail them in manually. No matter which tax software you use, the general process remains the same. The information you enter is compiled into the appropriate tax forms and submitted to the IRS and state tax agencies. When you select Get Ready to e-file, the system will display a summary of your tax return, including federal taxes due and any state refunds you may be receiving. Cash App provides features such as free audit defense, accurate calculation guarantees, and a maximum refund guarantee to ensure your tax filing experience is secure and beneficial. To finalize the process, you may be required to enter additional information, such as your state ID details or a PIN from the previous year's tax return. If you don't remember your PIN, you can use your adjusted gross income, AGI, from the previous year as an alternative. Once verified, you will reach the payment section. If you owe federal taxes, you can choose to pay directly from your bank account through the IRS website or by setting up an installment agreement. In my case, I opted to pay directly from my bank account for a seamless transaction. If you're eligible for a state tax refund, you'll have multiple deposit options You can choose to have your refund deposited into your Cash App balance, a different bank account, or receive a physical check by mail. I opted to deposit my refund into my Cash App balance for convenience. Once you confirm your deposit choice, Cash App will handle the rest and ensure your refund is processed accordingly. The final step involves consenting to e-file and creating a PIN to digitally sign your tax return. This PIN must be a 5-digit number, excluding all zeros. After completing this step, your tax return will be officially submitted. At this point, you will see a confirmation screen showing the status of your federal and state tax returns, indicating that they have been successfully filed and are now under review. Once submitted, Cash App will notify you of any updates regarding your tax return, such as acceptance status or required corrections. You can always return to the Taxes section in Cash App to check the status of your filing and track your refund progress. That's it. Your taxes are now filed, and all you need to do is wait for confirmation and any necessary follow-ups. Before you go, if you're a freelancer or independent contractor, make sure you're not leaving money on the table. Keeper Tax helps you find tax write-offs automatically. Use the link in the description to try it out and save on your taxes. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, feel free to leave a comment below, like this video, and subscribe for more tutorials on Cash App and other financial tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.